This guide explains how to export topics from the Catenda Hub application. First, go to the Topics section. Select the list of topics you want to export from the drop-down menu. In this example, we choose the webinar list. Then click on the drop-down menu at the top right of the plus button. Click on Exchange Topics. Then click on Export Topics. Choose the Export option here. You have the option to export the topics to BCF, Excel or PDF. In this example, we choose to export the report to PDF. Then click Export to start the export. A window opens at the bottom of the page informing you that the export has started. Access the export status by clicking on the View Status button. Then click on the Download button at the top right, which will start downloading your PDF report. This is what your PDF report might look like. You will find a list summarizing all the exported topics. Each subject line includes information such as title, type, status, assignee, topic creator, creation date, etc. You have the option to click on a topic title which will redirect you directly to the topic page in Catenda Hub. Once redirected to the topic page, you have the option to click on a 3D viewpoint if it exists in the topic comments. After clicking on the viewpoint, you are directly redirected to the 3D viewer at the specified location. If we go back to the PDF report, scrolling down you will find an entire page dedicated to each topic, including plus information and details. This guide showed you how to export a topic list as a PDF report, which includes allowing you to be redirected to a specific topic or view.